Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, Surjit is participating in a race. The probability that he'll come first in the race is 0.25. The probability that he'll come second in the race is 0.05. The probability that he'll come in third is 0.55. And the probability that he will be fourth is 0.15. What is the probability that he'll win second position or win the race? Okay. Now, the probability that he will win the race, it means he'll come first, is given by 0.25. Okay, and the probability that he will be in second place is, we have given it is 0.05. Hence, the probability that he'll win second position or win the race is, he'll come first, it means 0.5, plus probability that he will be in second place, it means 0.05. It is 0.3. So our correct option is option A.